All right, I just want to take a moment to say thank you to a few people. First off, we'll thank Nichole Hikesalot. She gave me a shout out and a challenge that I'll do a little later. She's an avid hiker and out of Indiana. She has a great channel. It's fun to watch her hikes. Another shout out that I received was from Jim Hayes Hiking. He's out of Virginia, and he again has some great hiking videos that he does. It's just awesome. He gave me a shout out and I appreciate that. And then I don't want to forget anybody, but let's see, Colton with Wasatch Back Explorer. He gave me a shout out and a challenge to do, which I'll do later also. He's got a great channel, does gear reviews and hiking and backpacking and fishing on those trips too, so it's pretty good. And then Minute on the Mountain. I'm sorry I don't know your first name. I wish I did, but I think it's Greg. I'm not really sure. But anyway, he's got a great channel. He's up in Cache County, I believe, Logan area, kind of by Utah State University, if anybody knows where that is. Anyway, that's where he's based out of, and he does a lot of hiking videos and fishing and mostly shed hunting and big game hunting. But he's got a great channel. Gets out with his family and goes on hikes and vacations and stuff too. And I just wanted to thank all those people for the shout outs and really do appreciate it. It was unexpected. Oh, and one more. Restless Wonderer. Not Wanderer, but Wanderer with an O. He gave me a shout out and a challenge, which ironically was the same challenge as the one that Colton gave me. He's got a great channel as well. He does backpacking and camping and hiking. I'm not sure where he's based out of. It's up north somewhere. I want to say Washington maybe, or even maybe up into Canada maybe, but up there, I think northwest. Anyway, great channels, all of them. If I missed somebody, I apologize, but those are the ones that come to mind right offhand. Anyway, thanks for all the subscribers, and thanks for watching, and appreciate the comments, and I'm happy to give feedback to those comments. And anyway, thanks again.